Okay, now we will proceed, okay, with the same example. Okay, so let's say from this example, okay, we already get our CDF equation. So let's say the question asks, okay, to find the CDF when your x equal to -1. Okay, now, so how to get the CDF when your x is equal to -1? Okay, now we have the CDF of f(x), okay. So when your x equal to -1, so it's here. Okay, x less than 0, that means -1 is here. So when your x equal to -1, so your fx is equal to 0. So now, let's say the question asks, what is the CDF when your x is equal to 1.5? Okay, now we look at this range. Okay, this one x less than 0. No. 1. Okay, this one 0 to 1. Okay, no. Our x is 1.5. So it's here. 1 to 2. So 1.5 is here. So when your x is between 1 and 2, 1.5, your fx is equal to 3/4. Okay, this is how we calculate our CDF. Now, what if the question asks you what is the probability when your x equal to 1? Okay, now we want to calculate the probability, your P, from the CDF. So how to calculate the probability? How to calculate the probability from the CDF? Okay, to calculate the probability from the CDF, you must use this theory tree. Okay, you must refer to my notes, okay, and look at the theory tree. Okay, if we look at this question, probability when your x equal to 1. Okay, so if we look this one, x less equal to r, x greater than r, x less than r. Okay, it's come from here. Probability probability x equal to r is equal to fr minus fr minus 1. Okay, for example, let's say the question asks you to find the probability when your x equal to 7. So that means it's equal to f7 minus your r is 7 minus 1 minus f6. So it goes same for this question when your probability x equal to 1. So it's equal to f1 minus f0. So f1. So from this CDF equation, your f1 is equal to 3/4 and your f0 is 1/4. That means your 3/4 minus 1/4. Then you got 2/4. So I repeat, to calculate the probability from the CDF equation, you must use the theory tree. Or we have the second method is by using the PDF. That means we get the probability, we calculate the probability from the PDF. So, from this example, probability x equal to 1. Okay, we already have the PDF before. Okay, so this is our PDF. Okay, so when your x equal to 1, okay, your x equal to 1. So what will be your probability? When your x equal to 1, your probability is 2/4. So, from the PDF table, we know that when your x equal to 1 is equal to 2/4. So, we can get the same answer of probability. So, the second method to calculate the probability by using the CDF is to convert convert your CDF equation to the PDF table or PDF equation. Okay, for it, so now the question is how to convert your CDF to the PDF. Okay, now we look at this example. Okay, now you are given the CDF. Okay, this is your CDF, cumulative distribution functions, and this is your CDF, and the question asks you to find the PDF. So, how to get the PDF? Okay, we know that, okay, for this one, okay, this is your CDF. So, your X type from, okay, by using this example, okay, we know that, okay, our X, okay, start from -1, start from 2, 5, and we have 7. That means if we have the PDF, our PDF is when your X equal to -1, your X is equal to 2, your X is equal to 5, and your X equal to 7. And we know that the minimum value is -1 and the maximum value is 7. So that means when your X is equal to -1, so your fx becomes 0 because the minimum value is 0, and when your x equal to 7, that means your maximum value is equal to 1. Okay, now we look what if your f is equal to -1. Okay, so we know that is equal to x less equal to -1. So from this CDF equation, we know that when your x less equal to -1 is equal to 0.08. Now, what if your f is equal to 2? So your f equal to 2 is equal to x less equal to 2. In other words, when your x is equal to -1 plus probability of 2. Now, we know that the value when your probability x equal to -1 is 0.08. And we don't know the value of P2, but we know that the F2 is equal to 0.36. So now, can we get our P2? Yes, our P2 is 0.36 minus 0.08. So, this one is your P2. Okay, now we go to the F3. So, sorry, we have the F5. Okay, it's not F3. We have -1, 2, and 5. So, F5. So, your F5, okay, is equal to x less equal to 5. Okay, or we can say that -1 plus 2 and plus 5. Okay, so now we already have the value of -1, we already have the value of 2, but we don't have the value of P5, but we know that F5 is equal to 0.767. So it's 0.08 is 0. Oh, we must calculate. P2 is equal to 0.36 minus 0.08 is equal to 0.28. So plus 0.28 is equal to P5. So your P5, okay, is 0.67 minus your 0.08 plus 0.25. Okay, that's mean, or we can say that 0.67 we can minus with the 0.36. Okay. Okay, 0.08 plus 0.28 is equal to 0.36. So we already have this one, 0.36. So what do you get? 0.31. Okay, so we can say that, okay, we have your x is equal to -1, x is equal to 2, x is equal to 5, and x is equal to 7. So to get the PDF, okay, when your x equal to -1, so it's equal to the fx, because we know that f -1 is equal to probability x less than equal to -1 is equal to 0.08. So it's equal 0.08. But for your x equal to 2 is here is equal to 0.36 minus 0.08. And when your x is equal to 5 is equal to 0.67 minus 0.36. And when your x equal to 7 is equal to 1 minus 0.67. So we can simplify that. Let's say we have the x value and we have the probability of x. Okay, so we have x -1, we have 2, we have 5, and we have 7. So for -1 is 0.08, for x equal to 2 is 0.36 minus 0.08, then we get 0.28. For your x equal to 5, we have 0.67 minus 0.36, and we have 0.31, and for 7, we have 0.33. So, okay, so this is our PDF table. Okay, now we proceed to the next example. Okay, now we are given the fx is a cumulative distribution. That means we have the CDF. Okay, the question asks to calculate the probability. Okay, so when we have a CDF and we want to calculate the probability, the first method that we can use is by using the theory tree. Okay, so for example, our first question exactly 4. That means x equal to 4. So we must refer to our theory tree. So when x equal to 4, okay, that means it's equal to 4 minus 3 equal to f4 minus f3. So from this CDS, our f4, so f4 is here 0.4 and our f3 is here. Okay, 3 is between 2 and 4, that means 0.1. So 0.4 minus 0.1 is equal to 0.3. So now, the second question, more than 5 again. Okay, the probability of x more than 5. Okay, so that means, okay, we go back to theory 3. X greater than 5. Okay, so it's come from here. For example, we have probability x greater than 5 is equal to 1 minus f5. Okay, so is equal to 1 minus f5. Okay, so 1 minus, so f5 is here. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7 is not included, but 4, 5, 6 is here, is 0.4. So 1 minus 0.4, then we get 0.6. Okay, the last question is probability 3 to 6. Okay, that means 3 include and our 6 is include. So 3 and 6. Okay, we refer to our theory tree. Okay, so when your probability r less equal to x less than equal to s, so example, okay, let's say we want to find the probability of 2 between 2 and 4. So it's equal to F4 minus with F1. Okay, because F4, okay, minus with the 2 minus 1. Or let's say from the question we have probability of 3 x, okay, 6. So that means is equal to F6 minus with F2. Okay, so that means from here, okay, is equal to F6 minus with F2. Okay, so your F6 is 6 is here, okay, 0.4, F2 is 0.1, so 0.4 minus with 0.1, so it's equal to 0.3. So this is how you calculate the probability by from the CDF by using the theory tree. Okay, but we have the second method is by using the PDF table. That means we must convert this CDF to the PDF table.